GDST is really useful. What it encourages you to do is think beyond your horizons.
The GDST mentoring scheme is critical to everything that I've been able to achieve.
If I didn't have the GDST family, I would not be the person I am today.
The GDST Alumni Network is here to help you unleash your potential, to give your education, your career, your life a boost. That's 70,000 women who can help you do what you dream of doing and help you become who you want to be.
I'm Kate Phillips. I'm the controller of BBC Entertainment. I think people will look at me now and think, I couldn't do that, I couldn't work in telly. Well, that's what I thought back in the day, but you absolutely can.
GDST is this incredible network of women who all are just ready and willing to support each other. It was pretty challenging starting a new charity. If it wasn't for the mentor that I got through the GDST scheme, there is absolutely no way I would have started this organisation.
As well as life beyond education, we can also help you with university.
The GDST really did help me with navigating my way through the whole university process. They really put in the effort and time to show me the options I had based on my interests and the subjects I was taking.
As well as connecting you to the many women in the network, the GDST has so much to offer. Mentoring schemes, networking, insight days and university groups, as well as scholarships and prizes to give your education and career a boost that no other network can. There are so many ways to tap into this and see how it can help you. Remember, you, me, us, we are stronger together.